Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee, and today I just grabbed a cup of tea and I wanted to just do a quick video because I have been thinking about the upcoming holiday season and all of the eating and drinking we do around this time of year. And as some of you know, I just had the month of October and September. I went away, I had vacations, I traveled, so I really wasn't eating healthy the way that I would have liked to have been eating. As you know, when you go away, it's all about, you know, especially driving. We drove to Florida, so it was all about fast food and, you know, not the healthiest of choices. And what happens is that we get into these modes and then we crave what we have been eating. And of course, around Halloween, I always tend to buy candy because it looks so good in the grocery store, and I have put it in jars around the house, so it's just too tempting. And of course, baking, and we're going to be definitely doing some baking. So this video is entitled The Top 5 Ways to a Healthier Life. We tell our body what we want to do, you know, and our body listens to us. So if we, you know, get out of the habit of working out, the body says, yeah, I don't want to work out. And as much as you think about it and say, oh, I would love to work out, I need to work out, I'm going to work out starting next week, your body is just like, nope, we're not working out. We're grabbing our cup of coffee in the morning and we're just gonna go sit down and, you know, watch the news or work on the computer, but we are not working out. And it's very difficult to change that. And it's the same thing with eating. If you continually eat the same way, your body, that's what your body's gonna want. It's not gonna want to do something different, and it's a very stubborn creature. But the good news is we tell our bodies what we want. You know, we have to change. We have to change our habits. So I'm gonna just touch on 5 things that you can do to change your habits and create a healthier life. Number 1, change your self-talk. You know, what do you tell yourself when you wake up in the morning? It's going to be a great day, or oh damn, I have to deal with those people again at work, or you know, oh, the deadlines are looming around me and I just don't want to get up. Even if those deadlines are looming, it's time to start changing your thoughts. And you just, you know, it's like having a conversation with yourself. You know, you open your eyes and start to pay attention to what's the thoughts that are coming in. And even if you don't think that you feel like going to work, or you don't feel like doing the chores of the day, just start to tell yourself, it's gonna be a great day. You know, I'm psyched about this day. Life is good. You know, tell yourself positive things to start your day. So start to tell yourself what you want to believe. And it should be positive, and you will start to see a change in your attitude and how you feel. Number 2, clear the clutter. It seriously does affect how you feel. You know, when I have stuff everywhere, when I have a pile here, a pile there, you know, another pile over here, and there's clutter all over my desk, I feel like I'm overwhelmed. I can't do this. I can't get my job done. But if I take 5 minutes to just sort of clear everything up, put things in order, chronological, what do I need to work on first, you know, put the pens in the pen holder, you know, throw away what's really just junk that you're hanging on to because you might need it, or put it in a place where it's out of sight, then all of a sudden you feel organized and you can tackle those projects and get rid of them one by one. Even if it's at home and you have piles of laundry, you have, you know, laundry all over the place, or dishes in the sink, start one at a time. Turn the water on, put soap in your sponge, and just start washing, and all of a sudden your dishes will be done. You will feel like you accomplished something, and it helps you to move on with your day in a positive way. Just get rid of the clutter. Number 3 is to give yourself a break. If you are going, and you are, this one needs something, you drop everything and get to them and feel like you need to entertain all the time, you feel like your house has to be perfect all the time, you're going to burn out, you're going to be stressed, and you're not going to be as healthy as you possibly can be. And you need to give yourself a break. And just doing nothing, don't do anything. Even, I like to try to hide out on the weekends and not do any entertaining. I do entertain once in a while, but I do try to hide out and just soak up some time for myself to recharge my batteries. If you have a busy lifestyle and you're trying to work full-time, take care of a family, maybe you have an outside hobby, maybe you even have a full-time job and a second job, maybe you're caring for family members, just make sure that you take time out for yourself, rejuvenate, recharge your batteries, some time for you where you're not picking up the phone, making sure somebody's okay, where you're not racing from point A to point B. It's important. You're important. Number 4 is to make better food choices. So we all go through periods of time where we're eating really healthy. We're making all those good meals. We're making good choices. We're, not snacking as much, and then we go through the periods of time, which I am in one right now, where I'm grabbing everything and anything. I run into CVS for something and I grab a pack of Twizzlers because, oh boy, do those look good. And then I just eat them like a fiend. And these are things that, while they might give you comfort in the moment, you're going to feel not so good when you're done. So just make a better choice. You can decide differently. You can choose differently. Once you start choosing the better food, and we all know what the better food is, whether it's a piece of fruit, whether it's a raw veggie that you eat instead of a candy bar, you know what's best for your body and what you feel when you feel good when you're eating a certain type of food. So make that choice and your body will start to crave that. Number 5 is keeping a food journal. And almost every diet book or healthy food eating plan that I have ever read or tried to do talked about having a food journal and writing down what you eat. And I found this really cool daily food tracking journal, and it's really cool. All you have to do, it gives you breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. So you can see that I was starting to write down what I ate, what the calorie count was. And you don't have to necessarily count calories. What you're doing is you're giving yourself a visual of what you're actually eating in a day. You really have to pay attention, and you really have to start keeping a journal of what you're eating, and that will create healthier food choices. You're still gonna know what you're eating, and you can still take a look at it to say, hey, I could make a better choice than that next time. And that's the key. And so once you start to teach your body a new way to crave, it'll start to crave the healthier food over the not healthy food. So anyway, those are my 5 top ways to live a healthier life. And so when I ordered this book from Amazon, I thought I was getting one book, but actually they sent me a bunch of these. So I have 10 of these books, these little journals, and I would love to share them with you guys. So the first 10 people who email me will get one of these books. I'll send it to you. And my email, it's on the About tab. If you go to my channel, you can see the About. and my email address is there. I think you have to click on it to see it, and I'll tell you, it's angelbridgelisa@hotmail.com. But you can go and, make sure that you have it right, and email me. And just, if you email me your address, I will mail this to you. So yeah, so that is my video for today, something a little different. I just wanted to share that, and I wanted to be able to share these daily food tracking journals with some of my subscribers. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and for hanging out and commenting. I love the comments. Please keep them coming. Share with me on my Facebook page. You guys are so talented, I'm sure, with all the ideas that you give me in the comments. I would love for you to share some of the things that you're doing out there, whether it be with nails or with DIYs, decorations, food recipes. Go on out to the Facebook page, just like it, and you can post pictures and comments, and it's a great way for all of the subscribers to share with each other. It's a wonderful group of people. I'm just loving it. I'm just enjoying everyone. Yeah, so thanks so much for being here and being part of this great group of people. If you're new here, welcome. I hope that you will consider subscribing. I hope that you will hit that like button, and I hope that you will come back. So take care, everybody. Good luck on your journey to creating a healthier lifestyle. Take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.